Sipping tea.
Yeah.
Just a note to everybody at home, I might die. I'm gonna die doing what Dennis loves. Bridge. Later on the drive home, I called your mom from a payphone. Woohoo! Pump track. Okay, that section was dope.
That is the best.
That section was dope.
That is awesome.
Okay, you got me.
Yeah. See what I mean? You plan to get your shoes wet, everything else wet. This is so sick, dude. Dude, this is the best ever.
It's bomb, dude. It's just fucking flagging me, but it's good.
This is ridiculous, dude. Like, freaking, you just like commit. Oh my gosh, this is ridiculous. You jump over that freaking, that one little tiny drop, and then like it's either you freaking slow down for that route or you freaking just sail over
it. Oh yeah, I saw that coming. I was like, it's less effort for me to jump over that shit than it is to try to take it and like bump over it.
Yeah, dude, this is tight. This is seriously like my favorite run I've ever done in my life.
Shut up! This is more favorite than Stevens Pass?
Absolutely.
You're so weird. You're so weird. You're different.
Yeah.
I like flowy, fast jumps, fast berms. Dude, it was starting to flow here a little bit.
That's the thing is like, dude, try to loosen up. Like, try to loosen up. Just.
Oh, I'm loose, bro. I've been drinking beer all day. That's not a problem.
Yeah, but I'm saying like, you use that bike under you. Like, don't use that bike as like, you know, just like it's under you. Throw it around and freaking just get down. You know.
Yep.
Dude, like, you know, have that like mindset.
Let's do it. Rally.
You on?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Never off, always on till the break of dawn. Fucking Dennis, so much faster. It's cool. I like it. I don't love it, but I like it. So I don't love it, but I like it. Oh. Finally find a jump and I didn't have enough speed. Oh.
Off the grid.
Are we done with off the grid?